Alright, so today we're going to be opening up another Tom Stefaniuk mystery box, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, gonna have to give it to The Real Slim Shady by Eminem. Legendary song, go listen to it, and yeah, let's just open up this box. Alright, so here we got the box. I'm gonna go kind of fast with the video because I don't think there's gonna be anything too great in here. It's a small box. So yeah, I already opened it up, and just want to point out this box is from 2 months ago now, I believe. 2 or 3 months ago. I just haven't had the chance to make a video on it. So yeah, here it is. Just gonna take out the 2 shirts and see if there's anything else inside. All right, okay, so we got a little card. Just says thanks for shopping. Info on the back, I dropped it, so I'm just put that in there. You have a little sticker. All right, coronavirus, so you know, good thing he has his mask on. Put that in there. We have laces. Okay, not gonna cap, I don't like these laces. I don't really like green. So yeah, not a fan of these laces, but I'll put that in there. This is realistically probably like $5, I would think, so I'll put that in there. And then we got the 2 shirts, so I'm gonna just open this back up and get back to you. Okay, so I opened the shirts up and I got both of them here. I checked and they're both the right size, which is great. Last time we actually got this exact same shirt and it was a completely different size. I think it was like a size medium. So the first shirt we have here is the one we got last month, which is Feel Real. I said I really like this shirt, so I'm glad I got this one. And then the other one is just Feel Real, and it's like a little Taco Bell logo. I don't like this one personally. It's not really great. I'm not gonna wear it. I'll most likely wear this one when I go to like the gym or something, but this is a really great shirt, and let me step right back in front of the camera and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so do I think this mystery box was worth it? For me, no. I did get $50 worth of stuff, but I just didn't like the stuff I got in the box. Sticker's pretty cool, but at the end of the day, it's just a sticker, and we also did get green laces. Normally, I'm not really against laces, but I just personally don't like green, and there are rope laces, which is pretty hard to put on a shoe that isn't Yeezys. Since I don't have that many Yeezys, I only have like 2, and they don't have green in them, so I'm not gonna use this. Putting the laces to the side, we also did get this shirt, which again, it's just the Taco Bell logo, which I don't know, I find that kind of cringe, so I'm not gonna wear it. So that's the only reason why I don't really like the box. The other shirt I got, on the other hand, is actually pretty good. I like this shirt. I'm gonna wear it somewhere, and I would say that's worth it. At the end of the day, it is up to you if you are gonna pick up a mystery box. It's $50. I don't know how much it is with shipping. I think it's 59 or 58, something like that, around that price range. I did get $50 worth of stuff with the 2 shirts, 25 each, and then this is around, I don't know, $5. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the box in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and thank you for watching. Bye.